Good evening, everyone. It's your girl Miss Boy here again with a new video on weather. What is weather? Weather is the atmospheric change for a short period of time. Here I have my two weather instruments. I have a rain gauge and a wind vane. A rain gauge is basically used to measure the rainfall, while on the other hand, a wind vane is used to tell the direction the wind blows in. Right? Now, I'm going to show you how to make these weather instruments and also what they are used for. Let's begin. First, we're going to make the rain gauge. Here, I have a cut bottle. The top of the bottle represents the funnel and the bottom of the bottle represents the overall cylinder. And I'm going to use this ruler as our measuring device. Now first, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the ruler and place it into the overall cylinder, and then I'm going to put the funnel in from on top. If you can see what I'm doing there from the side. And here we have our little rain gauge. Now let me show you how this works. Before I go into that, let me tell you what is a rain gauge. A rain gauge is a weather instrument that measures the rain. Right? I guess you guys are wondering why I have a bottle here upside down with some water inside. Then this bottle is going to represent our cloud, which is going to precipitate. Right? So here I'm going to turn it a little to the side to show you. This is our rainfall and our rain gauge. I think that's enough for him. Now we're going to measure how many rainfall we got, and it's less than an inch, so I think we should aim for an inch rainfall. So I'm going to get some more rain in there. Good. So here we have an inch of rainfall into the rain gauge. Right? So now we're going to go on to the wind vane. Right? Here I have a cup, which is going to help to balance our wind vane. We have our directions: north, south, east, and west. Now we're going to place them on the cup in order. Right? So we have north, south, east, and west. Right? So they are all together. Now I'm going to take this pin and I'm going to put it into our arrow. Right? I know it's not a complete arrow as yet, but I'm going to put the pin through, and I'm going to take this and insert it at the middle of our directions. Right? And then we insert it into the cup. So we have something looking like this. Now I'm going to take the point of the arrow, push it in here, and then here we're gonna have the bottom of the arrow, right? So now to keep our stuff steady, I'm just going to take a pin and I'm going to bore it right in there, just to keep it steady so that it won't be moving. Our directions won't be moving that much. I'll take another pin. I'll just put it in there. Right, so don't mind our pins. The pins are just to keep them steady, that they won't move. Good. Now, as I said before, this instrument tells the direction direction the wind blows, right? So if I blow this, it goes to the north, right? So that's all for our weather instruments. Thank you for watching.